Should I ask about warranties?
Yes, you should absolutely get a warranty when you have your concrete raised, but you need to make sure that it's going to provide you value. We've seen warranties out there as little as 1 year, which in our opinion, that doesn't provide much value. You want it to last for sure longer than a year. And we've also seen warranties on the other end of the scale, which are really just marketing strategies, sales tactics of lifetime warranties. But if you read the fine print, a warranty that's supposedly for lifetime may limit that exposure to only one repair. So if you get a lifetime warranty and your concrete sinks in a year's time or a year and a half time and they come and fix it, that warranty is then over. There's no more repairs. So you need to read the fine print, make sure that you're not being subjected to a marketing strategy, understand exactly what it is. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, we provide a very straightforward warranty that provides value, but doesn't have a lot of tricky language in it or terms and conditions that invalidate its value to you.